Our primary customers are typically industrial customers, customers from the retail, from the medical devices, from the healthcare. So some are saying like that. If you are asking me about AI applications today, I have to say it's just at the beginning. And it's also a question, what is the definition of AI today? So thinking about a real AI application, that's just at the beginning. The research companies are saying, and according to the market, that within the next 2 or 3 years, 50% of all edge devices will have AI capabilities inside. So, in other words, that market is developing right now, is starting right now. The platforms, the right platforms supporting AI technologies are being launched, are just launched, and as well all software tools to develop and deploy the models. So biggest challenge is, first of all, to bring the computing power to the edge. So to avoid capturing data at the edge, transmitting data into the cloud, into the server centers, where today that AI execution is done. So the biggest weakness of the whole process is you need to transmit more data into the cloud, you have the latency, and you have a kind of safety and security problem with your edge device because you're capturing the data, you're transmitting the data. By keeping the data on the edge device themselves, you're making sure that you can execute your AI model in real time. You're not losing any time to transmit the data. You're keeping all that sensitive data on your local device. You're not sending them to somewhere into the cloud, into the server center where somebody can grab them or can grab them in between, which is not good for the data protection rule as well. So Intel today is our biggest partner and most important partner, I have to say, first of all. So we are following all that latest generation on different form factors on our boards, in our systems, in our scalable systems. Thinking about AI capabilities, the newest, latest generation, which is now being launched by Intel, the codename is Meteor Lake, or what Intel is saying now, the Ultra Processor Series 1. It's the first CPU who has an integrated VPU to really execute AI models and have the computing power around to process all that application data, which is as well necessary in that application.
Intel's new Arc AI GPU graphic cards are basically addressing the AI solutions in terms of bringing more performance to existing systems. So it's easy to have a system, to upgrade it, to be capable to handle AI loads in an existing system, but also for new designs. And therefore you have different standards in the market, basically MXM Type A, MXM Type B, PCI Express graphic cards, while Advantech is mainly addressing currently with the former Intel Arc A370 chipset, MXM Type A GPU sets, and PCI Express chipsets. With a new A380 chipset, basically also handled by Advantech's own design, we address the more performance-orientated stuff, which means we are capable to handle more AI workloads in the future with an Intel Arc GPU set.
So we are delivering our customers Intel AI hardware, and we complement it with software services. So when they want to move into production, this is where we come and help them. We know that they want to do AI, but they lack in-house resources. So we try to help them, setting up the software toolkit, optimizing it so they can efficiently move into production stage using Intel AI hardware and complementary software services from Advantech.
I think the most exciting during these last 3 days was the launch of the latest A380 chipset from Intel, which is supporting AI capabilities on existing platforms. We also have seen the new product launch of integrated NPUs, so which has opened the door for the future for that kind of applications, and also the Intel Getty software, which in the end is bringing AI ideas, hardware and software tools together into a solution. We had a lot of interesting discussion with customers developing new ideas for new applications in that different industries, talking about retail, talking about medical application, where we are pretty sure that these technologies will become true in a real application within the next years.